Alright, we're gonna do a quick range test on the cheapest marketplace e-bike I can get. Alright, we're using the app RAWR right now. We're gonna get some, we're gonna see how far it goes. I need a water. I forgot to mention, we started at 97%. I went up the street, I had to come back real quick and grab some water. But we're starting at, alright, let's say 96% now.
I am actually on the 2025 RAWR Mantis X 72 volt with 30 amp battery. I didn't get to mention that at first, but I believe their range, they say it's about like 30-mile range, I think, on race, and 40 maybe on eco. Let's
Yeah.
Jerry just left.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was low on battery.
Oh, yeah. You going back home or what?
I'm probably going to the skate park.
You hit the skate park?
Yeah. I could actually, like, drop in.
Oh, you learn how to drop in? Hell yeah. Shit, I'm gonna go probably mob around a little bit more. I'm doing a little range test right now. But I'll pull up to the skate park in like probably like 20 minutes.
Alright, I'll be there.
Alright. Let's get a little top speed run on race mode. 2025 RAWR Mantis X. That's a limiter!
only up ended getting 50 miles an hour out of race mode on the RAWR Mantis X. It has a limiter.
This looks fun. Perfect back there.
I will say, for one thing, that the RAWR did handle, I would say, quite, arguably better on the dirt than it did on the street.
How's it going?
Good.
Just trying to hit the jump or what? Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna head over there.
Yeah, I was talking to
Brian?
Yasmin kid?
Yeah,
Right,
Brian.
I was talking to him.
I'll see you later, bro. What up?
Yeah.
Been shredding the whole time or what?
Yeah, it's been fun.
That's right. Oh, hell yeah. When you drop in, you gotta be careful going straight. You wanna come at it a little bit more like sideways. Better. Alright, I'm gonna keep mobbing around. My battery light did just turn on and power drastically got reduced. So we'll be back right now. We'll sum up the whole mileage and whatnot, and you know. All right, we are back. About an hour and 15 minutes later, we are at 6%. We left at 96. We got about, off the Reva app, we got 24.7 miles off, you know, a 90% span of battery, which isn't that bad considering I was driving sport probably 80% of the time. So you know what, it's not bad for a 72 volt 30 amp battery. Like, that's fair. That, you know, you're outside with that.
So the RAWR Mantis, honestly, is one of the cheapest bikes you could buy actually right now on Marketplace itself. With that being said, it's no short of a slouch bike. Like, this bike's taking out a Yasma, you know, it's taking out a regular Strike or whatnot all day long. Like, this bike will get you in the pack with it. Although, what I would say, RAWR, get rid of that limiter. The bike can go faster. You could tell the bike can go faster. Why do we have a 50-mile-an-hour limiter? 2025 RAWR Mantis X, 72 volt. The range test that we did today, we ended up getting, what, I think it was the 26 miles that we got out of the bike, which is not bad. We ended up starting at 96% and running it all the way down to 6%. So really, that's just a 90% span. I did put a mile and some change on it right before that, coming over to my buddy's house. You know, I had to get my quick in. And but yeah, so what we got going on now, we're doing a full overhaul on this bike. This bike's gonna be absolutely mint. It will be back up on the Marketplace very soon. If you're interested in actually, you know, checking out the build, watching the rebuild of this thing, I will document the mad scientists going to work on it. And, you know, hit me up. Let's go ride.